like this. Window down, all the way down, 1, 2, back up, all the way up, 1, 2, all the way back down, 1, 2, back up, all the way, 1, 2, that easy. Oh man, I feel so stupid I didn't do this sooner. I've had this for over a year and a half. The window reset, relearn, reprogram, whatever it's called. But basically what you got here on these doors is you've got no frame. So you got a gasket up here that the window wants to sit in. There's your gasket. Here comes your window. It needs to marry up with that perfectly. If it's off like that, you get a little wind in, like that, a little wind in, like that. It doesn't go up all the way. It messes up the one-touch control where you just click it one time, it goes up. And you also got these funky windows like my Porsche, where that first pull on the window, where the first pull on the handle lowers the window to clear that gasket. So I did this window reset thing. It's quiet in here now. Everything's married back up. Everything's copacetic. Perfect harmony. I don't need earplugs to drive this. And here's all you do. 2 things to remember. And that's the number 2. 2 and 2. You want to do this 2 times. And you want to hold the window when it reaches its extension and stops at full up and full down. You want to hold that for 2 seconds. So starting, power on, engine on, power on, doesn't matter. You can do this while you're driving. It's just something with the computers and the memories and the programming and all the limits of everything, and they can do it all electronically. We're not gonna be able to work on these things ourselves much longer. So you start at the top, drop the window, holding the button all the way to the bottom until it gets there. Hold it for 2 seconds, immediately grab it, hold the button up all the way, hold it for 2 seconds, repeat it. Down, holding it, hold it, 1, 2, up. Hold it, 1, 2. That is it. And I swear it made such a big difference. I can't believe it. Anyways, go out and do it to yours, and then come back and leave me a comment. Let me know if it helped or didn't. Or let everybody else know if it helped or didn't. See ya.